Next, we'll be looking at the t-shirts and talking about a lot of intriguing material that has been happening all around this talking. So Berliner lovers, welcome back here and in Oslo at 18 today. So, if you like this and want more, subscribe, share it, and leave a comment below. What do we have today? Then, to put it another way, terrorists can expect a strategic penalty in the form of a forward-looking, moderately priced beverage. The moon's price has fallen and is looking for support, as shown by the Japanese candlestick pattern. One more decline to 11.2 is likely before support begins to act. Lintaro, both the long-feared dollar things and a technical candlestick pattern are working against the price action, which has already been met with repeated cautions from Fed officials. These two factors demonstrate a weakness in Terra pricing movement as we progressed and seemed about to drop in a surge of support at this 11.2 near to 78.6% on Friday before most of the dollar's weakness was erased in the final trading hours. Possible drop below the Fibonacci sequence into the single digits. Both of these headwinds are too much for Luna price to handle. Before anything else, Wednesday and Thursday's Terra pricing activity exposes a daily graveyard doji. Symptoms include a large bullish candle, such as the one on Wednesday after the lower CPI reading, followed by an inverted hammer, but no wig, the following day. In essence, that, when Wednesday's price action bottoms out, it's common for the selling to continue for several more days. This translates to a minimum 4% loss being permitted in the direction of the 61.8% Fibonacci level as support. The dollar's strength kicked in with a gain on Friday, which could lead to another drop in the price of Bitcoin, BTC, and other cryptocurrencies, LTC, BCH, etc. The University of Michigan Ghana also revealed that inflation expectations are still higher, which means that a Fed will continue to hike. This may be the impetus Luna needs to break down the green rising trendline and fall 20% over 95, which corresponds to a 23.6% Fibonacci retracement level. It's time to throw a parade to celebrate the season's successes so far, which likely include a large sum of money. Some lowering of hostilities in Ukraine could come as a pleasant surprise. Fixes in the supply chain or further price declines making headlines would be good news. If the dollar were to weaken, any of these factors would push Luna's price movement closer to this 13.7 at 61.8 level. If the 11.8 support level holds through the weekend, this might be a positive addition to the bonds of that level. If we look at an hourly price chart right now, we can see that the market is still falling and has fallen quite a bit. In my opinion, Ethereum's current rank is 35, which is quite a drop from its previous high of 60. This line from 2 sells into dead on 2 to the year 1935 is now being held. This is a breach below a support level, and it's happening on a day chart where the red line is still above the green area, indicating that traders believe the coin's decline will continue and most likely accelerate. How about that classic turtle car? It pumped on the day chart, albeit not by much. The range was from 97 to 10.8, and it's still in the double digits at the moment. The Shiba rose from yesterday's low of 12.6 to today's high of 17.7, so I expect both it and the coin's value to continue falling along with the market. This is all we have to show for the dismal state of affairs right now. Today's classic, remember to subscribe and share for more content, and drop by to check it out. One end shaped like an X.